In the aftermath of World War II, a new era dawned over the African continent. The yoke of colonial rule had been cast off, but the road to independence was fraught with challenges. The African continent, for centuries a tapestry of diverse cultures and kingdoms, had been torn asunder by the colonial powers. Borders were drawn, often arbitrarily, severing ancestral lands and cultures. As the colonial powers retreated, these new nations were left to grapple with the complexities of nation-building. In many parts of Africa, the struggle for independence was a long and bloody one. Leaders like Kwame Nkrumah in Ghana, Julius Nyerere in Tanzania, and Patrice Lumumba in the Congo stood at the forefront, rallying their people to demand self-rule. The journey was not easy. The colonial powers, unwilling to relinquish their grip, employed tactics of divide and conquer. They fostered ethnic tensions, stoked political unrest, and sometimes even orchestrated coups to maintain control. Yet, the peoples of Africa were resilient. They persevered, driven by a shared desire for dignity, freedom, and self-determination. The cry for independence reverberated across the continent, echoing in the hearts of millions. The road to independence was fraught with sacrifices. Thousands died, their blood watering the seeds of a new Africa. Yet, the spirit of resilience and hope remained unbroken. In the face of immense challenges, these newly independent nations faced a daunting task. They had to rebuild shattered infrastructures, heal deep-seated wounds, and forge a new identity. The path was not an easy one, but the people of Africa walked it with courage and determination. They faced the post-colonial challenges head-on, determined to carve out a future that reflected their dreams and aspirations. In the end, the story of post-colonial Africa is a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people, their resilience in the face of adversity, and their unwavering commitment to forging a brighter future. The challenges may have been many, but the spirit of Africa remained unbroken, and its people continued to strive for a better tomorrow.